There you go. Get it. There you go. There you go. What do we have here? Oh, someone hit it. Oh, he got it. He got it. Oh my god. It's a good one. Oof, that's another good one. Damn. Alright guys. Speed worm. Zoom speed worm. June bug collar. Is this that good? Like people say? Let's find out. Let's find out. People say that this is the best lure to catch fish here in Florida. I'm not sure. For me, the best lure is still the regular Senko worm. Let's see if we can catch some. It is something that I need to build more confidence on it. And there's only one way to do this. Use it. Let's cast. Try to catch fish. The tail has some action there. It's pretty cool. So there are a few ways to fish with this guy. One is like casting, retrieving, just steady retrieve, nothing crazy. So just cast and retrieve, and the tail will do its job, and it's gonna create some action there. Or you can cast, retrieve, do some pops, let it sink a little bit, pop, and you create some action, extra action. Or we can also just fish like a regular Senko, just let it sink. I'm gonna try to use this as a moving bait. So the way how I rigged here, it's a Texas rig with an 1/8 of an ounce weight pegged, and that's it. Nothing crazy. Ooh, I see some bluegills here. I still need to catch some bluegills. Maybe try to use it as a live bait. I never fished with a live bait, so that would be cool. Oh, I saw the fish coming. I saw the fish coming. It was right here on the bank. Come on, fish, come on. I need to build confidence in this lure, so please, fish, help me. Help me build this confidence. Prove me that this is the best lure to throw in Florida. Because I'm still not sure about that. There you go. Come. Right on the bank. Damn, it's a good one. There you go, guys. That's a nice maybe 2.5 pounds. Thanks for biting, fish. There you go. That fish kind of destroyed my worm, but I think we can still use it. One more time. That fish was here, close to the bank. It was almost a top water bite. See? Next to those lily pads. Small guy. Oh, small guy. Oh, feisty. Stop. It would be a nice meal for the other fish. There you go, guys. The worm is almost the size of the fish. Look at that. It's crazy. Those fish will eat anything. Thanks for biting, little guy. Oop. Wow. Ooh. That's a good spot there because of the vegetation under the water. Something going on there. Alright, here's the drain. The pipe or the drain. That's where there's always a fish there. But here, I just let it sink. Just let it sink on the drain and wait for the fish to come. Let's see if someone got it. one hit it as soon as it hit the water. Just let it sink here. Oh, there you go. Come on. Come on. Get it. Oh. There's always a fish here on this drain, guys. Always. Watermelon candy. Is it that good? Is it really like candy? Let's see. Ooh, I feel some. There you go. There you go. What do we have here? What do we have here? Come on, come here. It's a decent one. Not bad. Not bad. Look at that. It's like a 2-pounder. There you go, guys. It's a nice 2-pounder. Well, but thanks for biting, fish. That was a good bite. Thanks for the fight. I'm gonna give you a little toss. There you go. Let me try to drag around. Drag on that vegetation. Come on, fish. Come on, fish. My God. Oh my God. He was a top water bite on this worm. Did you guys see that? Damn. I think he was following, and when I stopped, he just came and destroyed. But I was not able to hook that guy. Damn, that was so fun. I think he was following because I saw some wakes coming. That was crazy. Still building confidence on this lure, guys. Still getting used to the bite of this. It's a little bit different. Oh, there. Watch this. Come on, come on, come on. Get it. I think he's coming. Come on. Watch this. He's coming. He's gonna get it. Come on. Get it. Come on. Oh my God. Come on, fish. Oh my God. Oh, there you go. Oh, small guy. But I'll take it. Weird hook set on the bottom of the mouth. There you go. Little guy, pounder. Nice fish. Thanks for biting. Boop. I always like to do one cast behind us. Holy crap. There was one here. I just spoke the fish. Oh, someone hit it. Oh, he got it. Oh, oh my God. It's a good one. It's not a good one. But it was a good fight. Small guy. Thought it was better. He fight good. Pound and a half. A pound. Probably a pound. Thanks for biting, fish. Thanks for the fighting. I don't know if this is really better than the regular Senko worm. I still think the Senko is better, to be honest. Yes, it is slower, but I think it catches more fish. Simple like that. Just catch fish. It can be boring, it can be slow, but The fish love it. At the end of the day, that's what we need. That's what we want, to catch fish. So I think the Senko is better. Maybe if I catch a 5-pounder on this guy, maybe I'll change my mind. Because I caught a 5 and 6-pounder on the Senko, on the worm, regular worm. But not on this guy. Not yet. Maybe one day. Come get it. What was that? Holy crap. Right here on the bank. There is a fish here, I think. Right there. Come on. Come get it. Oh, there you go. Told you. There. It's there.
The next day.
Alright, guys. Another day. And I am still on my journey to build confidence with the speed worm. Jesus Christ, look at that. Look at this. Look at this fish. My goodness, so small. The worm is pretty much the same size as this fish. Let's see. Look at that. That's insane. But alright. Thanks for the bite. Small guy. Come on. I don't think the fish bite this too well. Better than a regular worm, a Senko. Ooh. There you go. Another small guy. There you go. Another dink. Well, a little better. He choked it. This one I need to do a surgery. There you go. Small guy. A little bigger than the first one. Thanks for biting. There you go. Hopefully we're gonna catch some more on the way back. Some bigger, something bigger. There you go. Oh, that's better. That's better. That's better. Come on. That's better. Oof. Come on, stay down. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There you go. That's much better. There you go. There you go, guys. That's a good fish. Thanks for biting, fish. Little toss here. There you go. Alright, guys. That was probably my biggest fish on the speed worm so far. That's a good 3-pounder, 3.5 maybe. That was a good one. There you go. Oof, that's another good one. Damn. Where is my identifier? That's another good one. It's a 4-pounder for sure. Yep. 5-pounder on the dot. Damn. 4 or 5-pounder on the dot. Holy crap. Look at that, guys. That's a giant. That's a giant. You got it. Come on. Go. 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 There you go. Oh, there he goes.